What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're going to be working on the BMW X3 M40 and we're finally going to be fixing something that I absolutely hated on these cars, and we're going to be fixing it in a much cooler way than I originally expected to, but I'll explain that in a second. So if you guys own an X3 M40 specifically from this year, or if you guys have just been following along with the build, you'll know that these cars came with a cerium gray accent color all over them rather than chrome and gloss black. It literally had this like kind of like bronze grayish color all over. So that came on the side mirror caps, it came on the front grille, it came on the boomerangs over here, and it even came on the side vent. Now, as you guys can tell, mine obviously does not have it, at least everywhere right now, because I've been working on getting rid of it. However, I didn't completely finish the job, so I did do the front grills a while ago. I did do the side mirror caps, and I even did these side vents. The side vents and the grills are gloss black, and then the side mirror caps are carbon fiber, which I actually really like. However, guys, the job is still not done. We still have some more cerium gray to get rid of on this X3 M40, although we did a lot. We didn't do all of it quite yet, but we are going to be taking a big step today. So before we get into the new mod for today, where we're going to get rid of some more cerium gray, I just want to take a moment to thank today's sponsor, and that is, you guessed it, Simply Carbon Fiber. So if you guys have been watching my channel, you'll know Simply Carbon Fiber. They make a whole bunch of carbon fiber accessories like wallets, phone cases, sunglasses, legit like anything you can think of. They've been huge supporters of my channel. So right now they're still having another sale going on. So if you guys need to get a last minute gift for your father, for your brother, for your friend, whoever it is, check out Simply Carbon Fiber, and the links down in the description below. Like I said, guys, they have a whole bunch of cool stuff made out of carbon fiber. I would personally recommend the slim wallet. Holds up to 7 cards and even has a money clip over here for your cash. I absolutely love this thing and I would love to get it as a gift. So just an idea, guys, but they have a whole bunch of other cool stuff. So go check out the links in the description below. Take advantage of the sale. Get something cool for your family and friends. But yeah, anyways, with that said, guys, let's get back to today's video. So anyways, guys, if you haven't figured out by now, what we're going to be installing on the X3 today is a replacement to this boomerang, one of the last cerium gray pieces on this X3 M40. Now, originally, guys, I had a different plan for this piece, so I'm pretty sure I've mentioned it in some previous X3 videos, but my original plan for this boomerang was to get some gloss black vinyl wrap and just wrap it myself. But if you guys can tell, this piece is not exactly straightforward. Like, it has some curves, it has some like intricate parts to it, so although it's not the hardest thing out there, but for the first time wrapping something, this is probably a bad place to start. Like, I actually legit already bought the vinyl wrap and I had it sitting in my trunk for like months now, but I just never got to it just because it was a little intimidating, I'm not gonna lie. So that plan kind of fell through. However, recently I was doing some shopping for the X3, getting a whole bunch of different parts for it, and I found these cool pieces for the boomerangs. Now, these pieces are direct replacements. They are not just gloss black though. I'm sure you guys can probably already guess, but they are carbon fiber, which is really cool. Although the gloss black ones that I've seen like months ago were like 200, 250 bucks, these ones are a lot more reasonably priced, and they're carbon fiber, which I thought was actually gonna look really good on this SUV. Because as you guys know, although I've done the gloss black grills over here and there's a whole bunch of gloss black on this SUV, I recently put on this carbon fiber front lip from Keys Motorsports, which looks really good. It ties in well with the side mirror caps. However, it kind of just looks like it's tacked on. Like, it doesn't really flow well with the rest of the SUV because everything else is gloss black and then it's just carbon fiber down here. However, with those carbon fiber boomerangs, I really feel like it's going to tie everything in together. Like, you're going to have some carbon fiber, some gloss black, and it's all going to kind of flow, if that makes sense. Now, I've obviously never done this before and I've never seen this done before because there's really not that many videos about the X3 out there. And I will say, guys, this is not a sponsored product. I paid full price for this thing. I got it from Auto Technic, which I'm hoping I'm saying that right. So yeah, I'm going to kind of be like the test dummy for you guys. We're gonna test it out, see how it fits, see how it looks, and if you guys want some for yourself, I'll leave some links down in the description below. Yeah, anyways, with that said, guys, here are the new pieces. Now, this thing did come in a box, but it did come with a whole bunch of other mods that I ordered, so I don't want to show you guys all that just yet, so I did just take this out separately. They did wrap it pretty well. The box was also filled with a whole bunch of packing peanuts. Excuse the fact that I'm doing this on the ground, and also excuse the fact that the car is super dirty. It's winter time and it's freezing, so not the best time to wash the car. But yeah, anyways, let me just show you this. So here it is, guys, the new boomerang for the X3. Like I said, this thing is made out of real carbon fiber. It's actually dry carbon, so this thing is super thin, super lightweight, which obviously you don't need it to be lightweight, but regardless, it is still pretty cool. Now, I've personally never removed these things before, so I don't know exactly what's holding them on, but just looking at this new one, it looks like it has a whole bunch of clips that go around. Now, like I was saying, guys, carbon fiber and clips, they don't always work the best, so we're gonna see how well this stays on. But yeah, with that said, we're gonna try to uninstall these old ones. Now, again, looking at the new one, it looks like it's just clips, so I'm probably just gonna take a plastic trim tool, get underneath there and pry it out. But yeah, I'm hoping it's literally just those few clips, and then we can just pop on the new ones. not gonna lie, that was pretty bad. I legit broke almost every single clip on this thing. Now, not to make up excuses, but it is a really cold day, so obviously plastic and cold, it makes it a lot more fragile. Not a lot more, but it does make it more fragile. If it was a warmer day, or even if I heated this up beforehand, it would be a little more malleable, less likely to break. You know, it is what it is. Thankfully, I do not plan on reusing this piece. I don't think I'm ever gonna go back to it. So although this sucks, it is what it is. And I just made it worse. Well, now with that piece destroyed, let me show you the new one, because honestly guys, this thing actually turned out way better than I expected. So I will say off the bat, fitment is not the best. I'm probably gonna give it like an 8 out of 10 because as you guys can probably see, if I can avoid the sun and the shade there are some gaps at the top over there. Now, it's not something you're gonna notice from a distance. You really do have to get up close to it. But the thing that really impressed me about it is those carbon fiber clips actually snapped in, and this thing is actually like legit being held in, which was my biggest concern. Now, if we quickly compare it to the cerium gray side, you guys can see the cerium gray is just sort of like an eyesore. It doesn't match with anything else, and it's just kind of an ugly color in my opinion. Now, it might be hard to see because of the sun and everything, but I can promise you guys in person, that side looks so much better. Like legit, this just makes the SUV, in my opinion, looks so much more aggressive, so much more complete. But yeah guys, honestly just really like the way that this turned out. Now I'll probably install the other side off camera and spare you guys the cringy moments of me destroying my car. Alright guys, I just finished installing this side, and I gotta say, it was even more brutal than the last one. I probably broke more clips on this one than that one, which believe it or not was actually possible. I legit tried my hardest not to break any clips on that other side. Now obviously it is still a cold day, and maybe if you did this during the summer, you'd probably have better luck, but I think it's virtually impossible to remove those things without breaking any clips. So if you guys want to maintain your stock parts, this probably isn't for you because you're almost guaranteed to break it. But for me personally guys, I'm super happy with this. Yes, my OEM ones are now destroyed, but like I said, I'm never gonna go back to them. They're cerium gray. I think they're ugly. I'd never want to put them back anyways, so I don't really care that they're broken. But if you guys do care about that type of stuff, take that into consideration. Well, otherwise guys, this was only the beginning. We have a lot more to do to this X3 M40. I can tell you guys, there's one more cerium gray piece on this X3, and that is the badges in the rear. I do have a solution for that, but I'm gonna save that for another video. I also have some other mods for this X3, some more carbon fiber bits and more just general stuff as well. So if you guys have an X3, if you guys like the X3 build, if you guys just like watching these videos of me destroying my cars, definitely hit that subscribe button. There's a lot more to come. But anyways guys, with that said, this video is pretty much done, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.